Hello everyone and welcome back to Lin Health Europe Clinic. Today, we're going to be talking about the importance of after wash when it comes to your hair transplant. Why the first wash matters more than you think. The first wash isn't just a routine, it's a critical part of your healing. Done incorrectly, it can damage your new grafts. At Lin Health, we treat this step with surgical precision. That's why our patients never go through it alone. We do the first wash together at the clinic under expert supervision. When is the first wash done? The first wash typically happens 48 to 72 hours after the procedure. Your scalp needs that initial healing time to stabilize the grafts. At Lin Health, your surgeon will determine the exact time based on your skin type, graft density, and healing speed. Because timing is everything. Here is how we do it at Lin Health step by step. We use a soft, pH-balanced medical foam to gently soften the crusts. This is followed with warm, never hot water poured slowly over the scalp without any pressure. We pat dry using sterile compresses, no rubbing, no towels, no shortcuts. This process is slow, gentle, and soothing. Here are the aftercare products that support healing. During your first wash, we introduce you to Lin Health Aftercare Kit. It includes a mild shampoo, healing spray, and nourishing serum. These products are specially formulated to reduce inflammation, prevent infection, and keep the scalp hydrated. What not to do after washing. Avoid hair dryers, hot water, scratching, or applying oils and unknown creams. Don't sleep flat or wear tight hats right after the wash. At Lin Health, we give you a printed list of do's and don'ts. And our coordinators are always available to answer your questions even after you leave Istanbul. What happens after the first wash? Over the next 10 to 14 days, you'll wash your hair daily using the same gentle methods. Scabs will start to fall off naturally. Don't force them. If you follow our guidance, the recovery will be smooth and your scalp will be ready for strong, even hair growth by the 3rd or 4th week. So, the first wash is your first real step into transformation. At Lin Health, we make it easy, safe, and stress-free. With expert guidance and premium care, your new hair is in the best hands. From the first wash to the final results.